to pick up a snow dog, a homemade snow dog that a guy off a Facebook Marketplace built. It's only 5 horsepower, so it's not really like the type of speed and pulling power that we want. But our aim is to change out the engine, swap out the engine. We're gonna get one from Princess Auto that's like 13 or 15 horsepower, and just swap it and add it to what he already built up, so we don't have to build the base of it and all that. We're gonna tweak it and add a 1-2 thing to make it our own, like rod holders and maybe a holder for the auger, little modifications. But just in general, that's the little kind of mission we're on right now. I'm thinking of making this into a series, and you guys can follow along and see what happens with that. Right? We're gonna get it, then we're gonna get the engine, swap it, build it, put little modifications on it, and then should be, by the time that's all done, there should be safe enough ice for us to go out on our first trip, and we'll test it out. It can handle like a different engine? That doesn't matter, right? Like this base?
Yeah. The shaft is 3/4.
Okay.
So if you put like 6-7 horsepower, you need a 3/4 shaft for this torque converter. They have a brand new torque.
Yes. So it wouldn't be able to handle like a 13 horsepower?
They need to buy a big torque converter. Bigger. But you try it and then.
Yeah, because I'm pretty tall too. Well, we're about the same height.
Or you can just put the seat closer.
Which seat?
We can make some kind of cushion.
But yeah. So you already put the choke on, right?
Yeah. But I don't know, you can buy like a 8 horsepower Honda right now. There's gonna be a lot more power than this.
That one doesn't have a electric starter,
But we can still make the hole for the pull. Alright, now you're going to attach it. Okay, let's close this. Okay, Now let's let it rip, bro. Let that boy down. Remember, he kind of had the thing inverted, his wiring, so he told us freaking off is on and on is off, so that should be good. Pull the choke out a little bit. This is to make it. Okay. Just. There we go.
Make it show on the dipstick. We'll get to the little small. Which more of these you have? Just the one? No, they told me to come over here.
That's what the new one's gonna look like. Took off the old. We just gotta get the torque converter, order that, order a bunch of parts, fabricate some stuff.